What's up, guys? Today, I will be doing a Lego build. I haven't really done any of these in the past. I don't really build Legos. I do have a few Lego sets, but I haven't really built any in a while. But I saw this Mickey Mouse Steamboat Willie at the store, and I thought it was a pretty cool set, and I wanted to build it. And thought, hey, maybe I can build some Legos on YouTube. Um, so let's get started. Well, it is finally done. It took me quite a while to build this. I've been super busy with school. I was dog sitting for my grandma almost all week, and then I didn't feel really well yesterday. So this video was supposed to go up on Friday, but as you can see, it's up now. I literally just finished it. It is about 9 o'clock in the morning, where I'm at. So, I still have to edit the video, but this is a really, really nice, intricate Lego set. So, when it moves, the smokestacks do move. Both wheels turn, and then, you can use this hook, which is really, really cool. Plus, you get Mickey and Minnie and this cute little bird. As well as this 1928 sign. It says the SS Willie. Sorry, there's a little bit of a glare there. There we go. 1928 when the show aired. But yeah, if you'd like me to do more Lego builds, let me know. Hit the like button. Subscribe, definitely, comment. You can follow my Instagram page. I haven't really put much up there yet. It's still a work in progress, but it's Andrew's Adventures 626, all one word. I tried doing Andrew's Adventures, but it wouldn't let me, so I did 626 for my favorite Disney character, which is Stitch, and he's Experiment 626. So, little facts about me there. But, yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully I edited it well together. I mean, it's been, gosh, I started building it on, when did I start building it? I think it was actually last Saturday. So it's been over a week that I've been building this thing here and there. I dog sat my grandma's dog from Sunday through Thursday night, so I wasn't really home for all that time. I came home for little bits here and there, but not a ton, so I apologize that it's not up on Friday, but it is up today. See you guys in the next adventure. Bye.